Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add dash border to text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add a dash border in this document. Firstly, write some text. Then select the text and applying bold effect. Then go to the insert menu and click border drop down menu. Then choose any effect. Then select the text and go to the format menu. Then click text outline and choose dashes. Then select the dash border. And again go back the text outline and change the outline color. I select the black color. Then again go back the outline and increase the white. Now we can see here we added dash border to this text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.